Dunkirk, May 1940. The British Expeditionary Force, alongside French and Belgian allies, had been driven to the northern coast of France. Trapped, outnumbered, the enemy pressing from every direction. Nearly 340,000 men stood here on this stretch of sand. Behind them, the thunder of war, in front their eyes fixed on home. Between them and safety, 40 miles of open water. They waited under the constant threat of air attack, unsure if rescue would come. Every hour brought fresh danger. Every moment was a test of endurance and hope. And then, from the mist, the answer came. Not just destroyers and warships, but hundreds of tiny vessels, fishing boats, lifeboats, pleasure craft, ordinary citizens answering an extraordinary call. Operation Dynamo had begun, a miracle of courage and unity. Against impossible odds, they would bring their boys home. 85 years later, we remember Dunkirk, not as a retreat, but as a triumph of the human spirit, a story of bravery, sacrifice, and an unbreakable will to endure. Now, a brand new £2 coin range has been released as a lasting tribute to that moment in history, crafted to honour the soldiers who stood on these sands and the civilians who sailed to save them. Commemorate the 85th anniversary of the Dunkirk evacuation. Click the link to find out more.